What's up, guys? I have a small thrift haul, and if you don't like thrift hauling videos, then you can click the X. I'll be okay. And like after I recently heard that Macklemore joint song, like it's called "Can We Go Thrift Shopping?" I fell in love with it, so I went thrift shopping, and I guess we could just get started. So before you guys say ill girl to some ugly jeans, I'm gonna cut them for some high-waisted shorts. Okay, so these are the jeans. They're really ugly, really ugly, and like old lady looking on me. So I'm just gonna cut them like right here, and they're gonna be high-waisted because people are rocking high-waisted shorts right now. So I'm just gonna cut that up and make high-waisted shorts. So like, yeah, Next, I just got this pretty beach thrower like over my bathing suit. It's really pretty, and I'm in love with it. And it's from Body Central, people. Body Central, and it has a little kissy. And it's really pretty, and it reminds me like a Hawaii theme, and just has flowers on it. I'm gonna rock this when we go out to the beach or for vacation. So next, I just got this like tank top see-through thingy, and it's really pretty. It has ruffles on it, and yeah, you guys can see that. And it just has ruffles on it, and it's see-through. It's like flower printed to the back and front. And this came from originally Charlotte Russe, so I'm gonna be rocking this with a bandeau under it, a pink bandeau. So then I just got this Miley Cyrus t-shirt, and I guys are like, girl, that was out like 2 years ago. Why didn't you get that? Well, I didn't get it because I didn't like it then, but now I'm starting to like this type of clothing, and it's really pretty. So I just picked this up at a local Goodwill, and I'm in love with it. So I can't stop doing that. Okay, so the last thing I got was just this long sleeve shirt. And before you guys say, girl, it is too hot, you is going to so wet. You're going to melt in that shirt. I know I am. I'm not going to wear it outside. I'm just going to wear it to bed because it's cold in my house. And I love to be warm. And like the covers is not enough for me. So I just got this. And it's not really that long. Actually, it's pretty long, but whatever, And I wear this in December or November, whenever it starts getting cold again. So that's pretty much it. So that's all of my clothing that I got today, And I am happy with my clothing picks. So here's all the stuff that I got. It's a big bundle, and yeah. So thank you all for watching. Bye.